So you know when you have your dish drainers and you know periodically you have to wash them so it doesn't build up a lot of Limescale. So I use a little soap, a little vinegar. I don't know what I'm doing, you know. I'm just trying out something. A little vinegar. And I also use a little baking soda. So I scrub. You know what? I'll scrub. This is my second time scrubbing. I don't think it's working at all. So I am going to add some degreaser. Oh my god, I don't even know if what I'm doing makes sense. All these mix up. So what I need you to do, guys, is to tell me what you use to clean like your dish drainer, these type, so that I can maybe try the same thing. Because you know, if you don't clean these things and keep it nice and shine, they're gonna get so corroded with Limescale, and in no time you have to buy a new one. And I don't promise myself to buy a new one if I can just keep it nice like this, clean it. So this is what it looks like when I'm done. Looks really better but not perfect. So what I do, I use a little oil and just oil the metal part and oil even the plastic part. Just a little bit, not a large amount so you can mess up your dishes. Just barely glide it on so that the water doesn't damage the plastic and the metal. So again, tell me what you think and tell me what you do so that your dishes and your plate them, not your dishes and your plate, so that your dish drainer can look nice and clean at all times.